Next up, the Cebu City Panther with their head coach Peter John Turio.
Pinatitinag sa mga pagsubok, basketball ang buhay, puso'y uapa. Sa mga kondilera, matatag na mandirigma, inukalo ilig, dakila sa basketball, Bulacan Warriors, puso'y walang hupas. Manila, Cristian, shoot na walang kapantay. Manila, Kingpin, MVP na raman, talo, kotero sa pasipay, ay hindi nagpapatalo, may wasihang punto, matibay na talakang bawat team, may sariling story, bawat may kilala, magiging pagdating sa ring mong tanaman.
Of course, we also have the El Union Eagles. Next team, let's give it up for Manila Triskelion.
Ting sa division, rise ang tahanan ng mga
Head coach, Mr. Richie.
Bro, lakas at talina, mulit basta kapit. Tiger, mabangis na core sa Timog Island, puno ng lakas at galing. Cebu City Panther, shooter na may punto. Surigao, hindi natitinag. Gildis ka na puso'y naglalagab, labatan display. Tali may walang katunag. Mindanao, base 1 at 3, magiging naman dirigma. Dribble makers, sa bawat shoot na hindi tamish.
Of course, our next team, Chibogs Marikina. Head coach, Mr. Louis Calana.
Tila Kingpin, MVP na rangan, Chalo, Kotsan, Rusa, Pasify, ay hindi nagpapatalo, Masihang bulldog, matibay ng talakang bawat team, may sariling istorya, bawat lari may kilalang magiging pagdating sa ring ng tanaman. Tayo sa parting South Division, rise ang tahanan ng mga kampo, North Luzon, Cairo, lakas at talina, mulit basta kapit. Tiger, mabangis na core sa Timog Island, puno ng lakas at galing. Cebu City Panther, shooter na may punto. Surigao, hindi natitinag. Gildis ka na puso'y naglalagab, labatan display.
Next up, the Mindanao Braves with our head coach, Mr. Ian Vespesio.
Dakila sa basketball, Bulacan Warriors, puso'y walang hupas. Manila, Triskelion, shooter na walang kapantay. Manila, Kingpin, MVP na raman, Chalo, Kotsan, Rusa, Pasify, ay hindi nagpapatalo, may basihang punto, matibay na talakang bawat team, may sariling istorya, bawat lari may kilalang magiging pagdating sa ring mong tanaman. Tayo sa parting South Division, rise ang tahanan ng mga kampo, North Luzon, Cairo, lakas at
Of course, hindi rin magpapahuli ang Batangas Blaze with their head coach, Ronald Rivera.
bawat galaw may determinasyon, bawat hakbang may layunin at leksyon. Hindi natitinag sa mga pagsubok, basketball ang buhay, puso'y uapa. Sa mga kondilera, matatag na mandirigma, ilasan nagkakaisang presa. Panalo may aral na dala sa bawat isa. Ating wika, basketball ang nagbubuklod sa ating lahat. Na nagkakaisa, basketball ang ating wika. Norte at Timog, isang pamilya. At sa kuwag tayong kakapatid. Sama-sama sa tagumpay at pagsubok. Basketball ang ating buhay at mundo. Walang iwanan, walang bibitaw.
Hello. Thank you, Josh. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. McGee. Mr. McGee is the head coach for the under-16 female basketball and also the assistant national coach for the female national basketball. Am I right, sir? The chairman of the PIDC, Madam Ruth, and her company, Sis Jen. Of course, our secretary for the One Philcom, Madam Precious Carlos, and her behalf, the one and only Bossing Shelby, Sir Mike, Engineer Mike, and to our reigning Miss Global Philippines. Good afternoon, ma'am. To all organizations leaders who are here, visitors, players, coaches, good afternoon. Basketball is the popular sport in the Philippines. So this is evident that we are bringing it here. The initiative came up because of these Filipinos. And I normally shy. There is a reason why we multiply. Filipinos are hardworking
Maraming salamat din po for the players, coaches, referees na nandito, our officials, our committee, muses, at syempre ang ating. Without you, none of this would be. Let's remember that basketball is not just about winning games, it's about teamwork, sportsmanship, and building a stronger community here in the Cayman Islands. So get ready, cheer loud, and enjoy the games ahead. This is PGBL Season 1, and the action starts now. Once again, ako po ang inyong host, Joshua, saying thank you and have a good night. Maraming salamat po. Picture daw po tayo. Hindi po, ngayon na daw po. Tayo.